Hey, what's going on guys? In this video I'm going to talk about order of arithmetic operation in C programming language. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have something like integer a, and I'm going to create an equation for this one. Let's say 4 plus 2 times 6, and we are going to create a printf statement for this one. Printf result and %d for integer, \n for new line, and comma a. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, first of all let's look at this one. Okay, this should be semicolon. Let's look at this one. 4, you might think 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 times 6, that is 36. Now let's run this one and see what we get. Okay, something wrong here. Let's figure it out. Integer a, 4 plus 2 times 6. Printf, print it should be printf statement. Okay, now let's go ahead and run. Okay, here we are getting 16, but we thought 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 6, 36. But we are getting 16 because order of operation works similar to the real life. Like whenever we have multiplication, we do that one first, then we do the addition. Here that's what happened. 2 times 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. That's why we got 16. Now let's look at this one. Let's say integer a, that is equal to, here I'm putting a bracket. In this bracket I'm going to put 4 plus 2, and then I'm going to multiply this one by 6. Okay, now we are going to put the same thing here. Let's copy paste here. Now when we do that, like we know that in real life when we have bracket, we do that one first, and then after that we do the multiplication. So here inside the bracket 4 plus 2, that means 6. 6 times 6, 36. So this time we had to get 36. Now let's go ahead and execute and see what we get. Okay, let's see something wrong here. Okay, here integer a is equal to 4 plus 2 times 6, printf statement, result. Maybe I had to use a different variable. Let's use b. Okay, let's go ahead and execute. Okay, now we are getting, for the first one we got 16, for the second one 36, right? So it works similar to the real life order of operation, order of arithmetic operation. And those are some basic stuff we had to know about order of operation. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.